The topic of my lecture is questionnaire design. A questionnaire consists of formalized and pre-specified set of questions designed to obtain responses from potential respondents. A questionnaire is a series of questions asked to individuals to obtain statistically useful information about a given topic. Good questionnaire construction is critical to the success of a survey. Inappropriate questions, inaccurate ordering of questions, incorrect scaling, or bad questionnaire format can make the survey valueless. A useful method for checking a questionnaire and making sure it is accurately capturing the intended information is to pre-test among a smaller subset of target respondents. Questionnaire design process consists of three phases: phase 1 pre-construction phase, phase 2 construction phase, phase 3 post-construction phase. Phase 1 pre-construction phase, it consists of three steps: specific information required in the light of research objectives, an overview of respondents' characteristics, decision regarding selecting an appropriate survey technique. Phase 2 construction phase, it consists of 6 steps: decision regarding question format, decision regarding question relevance and wording, decision regarding question sequencing, decision regarding question response choice, decision regarding the questionnaire layout, producing first draft of the questionnaire. Decision regarding question format. There are two types of question format: unstructured questions, open-ended questions; structured questions, closed-ended questions. Open-ended questions provide a free to answer opportunities to the respondents. The respondents are asked without specific response options. Respondents need to create their own answers. Closed-ended question provide response alternative to the respondents. Respondents' answers are limited to a fixed set of response alternatives. They are further divided into dichotomous multiple choice questions and scales. Decision regarding question relevance and wording. Questions wording must be simple and easy to understand. Vague or ambiguous words must be avoided. Avoid using overstated words. Decision regarding question sequencing. Questions should have a logical sequence in questionnaire. Decision regarding question response choice. Generally, a question have 5 to 7 response alternatives. Decision regarding the questionnaire layout. Neat and attractive questionnaire with good introduction, instructions, demographic or personal information, organization of question logically in appropriate sections, space for comments, formal closing, producing first draft of the questionnaire. Phase 3 post-construction phase, it consists of 5 steps: pre-testing of the questionnaire, pilot testing of the questionnaire, revisiting the questionnaire, visiting final draft of the questionnaire, administrating the questionnaire. Pre-testing of the questionnaire. Pre-testing is an evaluation of the specific questions format, question sequence, and instruction prior to use in the main survey. Pre-testing of the questionnaire includes: start by filling out the survey yourself, then ask individuals to do so. Ask for feedback on the questionnaire. Questions answered by the pre-test include: is each of the answer mirroring what it is intended to answer? Are questions interpreted in a similar way by all respondents? Do closed-ended questions have a response which applies to all respondents? All are the questions clear and understandable? Is the questionnaire too long? How long does the questionnaire takes to complete? Are the questions obtaining responses for all the different response categories, or does everyone responds the same? Pilot testing of the questionnaire. Pilot testing involves administering the questionnaire to a small sample of population to identify and eliminate the potential problem of the questionnaire, if any. Revisiting the questionnaire. The result of the pilot testing are used to indicate questions in need of revision because they are difficult to understand. Questions that need to be removed, whether the questionnaire is ordered correctly, if the questionnaire is the appropriate length, whether the appropriate response options or scales are being used. Revisiting final draft of the questionnaire, it involves to make the questionnaire ready to administer by eliminating all the minute mistake and tries to make it error free. Administrating the questionnaire, it involves administrating the questionnaire to the respondent and obtain the response.